Three best business idea that you can start up in this year 2025 is this. First of all, let me analyze something for you. If you are living in this country called Nigeria, if you are in Nigeria and you are not earning in dollars, there's no way you can meet up with your responsibility. There's no way you can meet up with some things that you need to meet up. If you are in Nigeria for this 25th century that we are now, and your earnings still be in naira, you could not compare yourself to anybody that is earning in dollars, because you know the value of dollars in this country right now. We are like, if you are there now, go ahead and start this business that I wanted to introduce to you. Go ahead and don't waste time for you to start this thing. This business I wanted to introduce to you on this video, this business is going to last you, like, you're going to make you to become the house owner, the car owner, and to make you to be financially stable by yourself, only if you put more your effort. This is the only business that you can start in 1 year. The next 2 years you upgrade, next upper year you upgrade more than where you are. Doing all that this business is good, but this one is legit, and this is what you're supposed to find yourself into as a Nigeria, as a citizen of this country that we are now. All of us know where the economy is going. We know the value of dollars in our country. We know the rate of dollars in our country. So if you are in this country and you are not earning dollar, to meet up with your responsibility, to be very hard for you. First of all, I will advise you guys to, if you know say you are not know, if you know say you have your phone, and you know say you have a correct phone in your hands, and you know say yes, you are good in standing in camera, even though you are not good, learn how to be good in camera. Go up now and start up your YouTube channel. Start up your YouTube channel. If you don't know how to open it, come to my comment section, let me know. Tell me, say, okay, I wanted to start how to open a YouTube channel. I wanted to start a YouTube channel, or I want to be a YouTuber. I will come there to start guiding you for free. You did not pay me anything. I wanted you to know what you start to do for your future, because this is only thing you can start up. This is only thing you can start up to help you, and you have to need to guide us, like you, how you can meet up with everything, every necessary requirement, so that you can start getting your payment in you. Let's imagine, say you are in this country now and you are making like $500 to $1,000 in a month. Who else do you want to compare to yourself? At least you can see yourself, say, at least you can call yourself a big boy. But with you and your work that you are going in this country, which work are you getting now, presently now? Do you have the opportunity to give you any work to pay you like 1 million naira in a month? I don't think so. If it is what I'm observing, I don't think so. So go ahead, start up your life now. Like, plan yourself now. YouTube doesn't require many things. You can meet up if you take it serious. You can meet up if you put all your effort. That is, okay, I wanted to become this. You can become it. Wait till you believe, now go favor you. Don't waste your time. Only things you need to open your YouTube channel is the Google Gmail account, which is, I know say everybody get them. As you get them, so come and using it, come making it work, Go to this my channel page now, join my WhatsApp group, where I'm going to teach you how to open it for free. I don't collect any money from you, but only good things you do for me now is for you to subscribe to my channel and share my video for other people to learn too. Don't keep this secret to yourself. I say I will help you how to open it, because many people frustrated because they don't know how to start it. I will even teach you to know what it's all about. YouTube does not require many things. The only what they require for you is 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hour, which is, you can get it in between, in the space of 3 months. After you get this thing, you will get your account, like you get your channel monetized, like guarantee monetized after you get all this thing. And how do you go to get all this thing? I will explain to you in the video, and you can still learn many things, like many experience on this channel, like all the previous video that I've been dropping, how to grow the channel, how to post your video, everything is on this channel for you. So I package everything on this channel for you. Go ahead and get in touch. And if you have one channel now, where we say you open by yourself, the channel is not performed the way you like it, delete it, start new one. Start new journey, so that everything about your channel will be okay. If you don't know how to do it, I don't tell you where you will come with me. I no go talk am again. So this is all what YouTube need. Make sure say everything about YouTube is for you to be originality, like your content. Let you be the original of your content. Don't attach anybody content to your content. Know what you have to do, like create your things, because they need people that can create something on their own. Create your things on your own. So this is the best business idea that you can start up. The second business idea that I wanted to show you on this video again is this affiliate market. Like, it paid. If you are doing affiliate, you and I know what Jumia is all about. You and I know what is Gigi. You and I know, like Amazon. All of them does not hold any company. They help people to sell their product, like what I do. Like I sell something online to get commission, which is, I don't even know where they are producing the product from. I don't even know who is producing the product. My own is just to bring a customer and get my own percentage. So you too can start that kind of thing. That is the best idea that you can start. With that, you earn a lot of money. With your phone and with your social media, I did not carry the product for head, go and meet somebody or come and explain to you. With my phone, I reach largest audience who they are interested on this product. As they're interested on this product, they order this product. When they order, the company take it. Not be me go take am, the company take it to go meet them. From them, I get my own commission. I can tell you, say from my room, I still dey make money. So even you too, you can still make the same money in your room. That is the number 2. And number 3 is still a content creator. Like, if you discover yourself, what can you do? What can you do? Like, what are you good in it? Bring it online. People will like to watch. Even though na your lifestyle wey you dey live for your house, people still like to watch. What did you think say all these big celebrities do? Did you think say anybody is paying them? Nobody. The social media platform they have is what pay them. So you too can start all those things. A little you start, the bigger you achieve. So it's better for you to go to attach yourself into one of these things. Like Facebook now is popular. Everybody, you can see, even though you don't know how to create a content, you can use people content to monetize your Facebook account. Like if you are doing reaction, or you put your people content in the space of your own video. I'll teach you how to do that again. If it is what you like to do, I'll still teach you how to do that on your own for free of charge. How you can still edit your video, like to put people video. Once they like that person video, they will still like your video. It will not even show any copywriting because of the way you edit it. But if you don't know how to edit it, Mark will tear your account because you don't do it in proper way. So I will still teach you how to do that again. So if it is all this thing that I told you is what you wanted to learn and you want to use one to start up your life, kindly do well by subscribe to this channel and don't forget to share this video for the other people to learn too. Like to see you for my next video. This is what I said I should bring to you guys today.